If you've been stuck staring at your laptop, wondering why launching a simple website feels like launching a rocket for NASA, you're probably one YouTube tutorial away from crying into your coffee. Newbie Success Formula claims to end that chaos and help beginners finally build a real online business without touching scary tech. So let's find out if it actually delivers or if it belongs in the museum of failed shiny objects. Hey, Kamal here from testedapps.com. 6 years deep into affiliate marketing, SEO, testing tools, breaking tools, refunding tools, and occasionally finding tools that actually do what they promise. Today, you're getting a straight, honest, fluff-free review of the Newbie Success Formula. If it's good, I'll tell you. If it's trash, I'll tell you. Let's get into it. Quick heads up, if you decide to grab this through my link below, you get my exclusive Tested Ops bonus pack. These are real bonuses, not recycled PDFs from 2003. Full details are waiting in the description. So, what exactly is Newbie Success Formula? It's a beginner-friendly training system created to take absolute newbies from total confusion to launching an actual online business that works. No coding, no complicated dashboards, no guru magic. The core promise is simple. Build your website, launch your email list, automate your marketing, and deploy your first affiliate campaign, even if you've never made a dollar online. This isn't theory. It's a paint-by-numbers system for people who want a clear roadmap instead of bouncing between random YouTube videos at 3 a.m. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set up your digital foundation. This part is easier than making instant noodles. They show where to click, what to buy, what to avoid, and how not to accidentally buy hosting powerful enough to run NASA missions. Step 2. Build your website and activate automation. No need for a PhD in WordPress or funnels. You follow along, click the buttons, copy the templates, and things start working. Step 3. Deploy your affiliate campaigns. You grab the landing pages, plug in the emails, hit activate, and boom, you have a real system running instead of 20 open tabs and existential dread. Here's what actually moves the needle: the zero guesswork launch flow. This is huge. It removes all the overwhelm. You always know the next step, no more random rabbit holes. The website setup walkthrough. This eliminates the #1 beginner pain, tech fear. You won't accidentally break your site or install 42 plugins you don't need. The silent sales engine. This part sets up automated emails that talk to your subscribers when you're sleeping, cooking, or pretending to work at your day job. Hands-off selling. Beginners love this. The attention architect system. This teaches why certain pages convert and others flop harder than an overpriced guru course. You finally understand funnels without the brain melting. Let's talk price. The front end is only $16.95. Not kidding, under $17 for a complete business launch system. Now compare that to tools like ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels that charge $97 a month just for hosting a landing page. Do the math. That's over $1,000 a year just for the privilege of being confused. Here, you pay once, you keep it. No subscriptions draining your wallet every 30 days. For beginners, that's a big win. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hey, it's Kevin Fada here. Straight up, let's cut the crap. You've been told that building a real online business takes months, even years of grind and confusion and failure. You've been told you need to be a tech genius or some sort of marketing prodigy. I'm here to tell you that's a lie. What if you could launch your first professional website and your first complete ready-to-profit affiliate campaign not in 6 months, not in 6 weeks, but in a single day? Before your head hits the pillow tonight, you could be live, operational business owner. Stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how. But first, let's be brutally honest about why you're here. You're stuck. You're drowned in a sea of shiny objects, jumping from one guru's broken promise to the next. You've probably got a hard drive full of courses you've never finished, and a wallet that's a lot lighter for it. You feel that sinking pit in your stomach when you see another person celebrating their first commission while you're still stuck on step 1, staring at that blinking cruiser. Listen to me, it's not your fault. You've been playing a rigged game. The online marketing world is filled with people selling abstract theories that they've never actually used to build something from scratch. They're designed to keep you confused, dependent, and always buying the next thing. My name is Kevin Faddy, and for the last 18 years, I haven't been selling dreams from a rented mansion. I've been in the digital trenches, building real multi-7-figure businesses from the ground up. I've seen every trend come and go, and I've tested every strategy. And along the way, I've personally coached tens of thousands of students, people just like you, out of their den jobs and into lives of freedom and control, building their own 6 and even 7-figure online incomes. The difference between them and everyone else, they stopped listening to the noise and started using a proven blueprint. This is the blueprint I've distilled my entire 18-year playbook into under one undeniable click-by-click implementation system. Let me introduce the Newbie Success Formula. This isn't a course you watch, it's a system you execute. It's a cure for overwhelm. Inside, you'll master the complete 10-module, zero guesswork success flow. First, we build your fortress and we'll master the digital claim protocol. Stop preparing and start owning digital ground. The business assembly system, transformed that blank screen into a real business structure. The control panel advantage, where tech complexity evaporates and is replaced with pure power. Then we install your 24/7 income engine. You'll deploy the silent sales engine so your business finally starts working for you even while you sleep. The attention architect system to create digital assets that attract subscribers and sales. The affiliate authority engine to stop random promoting and start building a real sustainable income. Finally, we teach you to command growth like a pro. You'll implement the value multiplier system to make buying from you the only logical choice. The income deployment formula to strategically trigger and scale your revenue. The traffic ignition protocol, where traffic isn't luck, it's a switch you flip on. The momentum command formula, the final key to scaling your wins and thinking like a 7-figure marketer. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up tomorrow and instead of confusion, you have a live website. Instead of guesswork, you have an automated email system already working. Instead of confused, you have your first affiliate campaign deployed and ready to make sales. Imagine the feeling of control, the unshakable confidence that comes with knowing you can sit down at any time and deploy a new income stream from scratch. That's not a fantasy. That's what having a real blueprint feels like. Look, I know that even with an imperfect system, you might hit a snag, and that's why I'm stacking the deck so far in your favor. It's almost impossible for you to fail. When you join today, I'm giving you my personal success acceleration kit of 5 powerful bonuses. Bonus number 1, the live Newbie Success webinar. Got a question? Get on a call live with me. We'll solve it for you on the spot. No more being stuck. I'll show you how to get more done in 2 hours than most people do in a week. This is how you build an empire in your spare time. Bonus number 3, 3 plug and profit list building funnels. These aren't templates. These are my own proven funnels ready for you to copy and paste and start collecting leads and sales tonight. Bonus 4, the private Facebook mastermind group. You will not be alone. This is your 24/7 success circle where you can get feedback, support, and accountability. Bonus number 5, the business with AI training. I'll give you the unfair advantage by showing you the exact AI tools we use to automate tasks and dominate our competition. All right, let's talk about the investment. You've seen the proof, you've seen the system. You're getting my entire 10-module formula backed by 18 years of proven results, plus the entire bonus success acceleration kit. The real-world documented value of this package is $6,369. But you're not going to pay that. For this limited launch special, I'm doing something crazy. For a limited time, the entire training program and bonuses is available at a massive discount. Once this launch special ends, the price will jump to its real value of at least $197. This is your one and only shot. And just to take every last shred of risk off your shoulders, your tiny investment is protected by my 30-day, no questions asked, ironclad money-back guarantee. Go through the entire system. If you're not blown away, if you don't feel the shift from confused to confident, you can get every penny back. Simple as that. This is your moment. The 9 to 5 you hate, the freedom you crave, the income you deserve. It's right here. You're at the crossroads. Down one path is the same frustration you're living now. Down the other path is a proven blueprint for a new life. Stop being a spectator. It's time to become the success story. I've given you the map. Now it's time to take the first step. Click the button below now. Lock in your insane discount and let's get your business live today.
Now, let's break down the upgrades. These are optional, but some are worth it. OTO1 All Access Special at $247. This unlocks the entire ecosystem, advanced training, extra systems, and deep dive strategies. Get this only if you want the fastest results in long-term scaling. OTO2 ARM 2.0 for $19.95 adds more automation. Great if you want recurring processes running without babysitting. OTO3 ARM Reseller at $96.95 gives you 100% commissions promoting ARM. good for affiliates who want instant profit opportunities. OTO4, Bonus Builder AI for $47, creates conversion boosting bonuses, my top pick for beginners. Bonuses improve sales faster than anything. OTO5, Rapid Bonus Builder AI plus 100 products for $47. If you want done-for-you authority assets, this is gold. The rest of the funnel includes AI tools, lead magnet systems, and done-for-you setup options. They're helpful but optional based on your goals. Now, let me give you my take after testing it. I put Newbie Success Formula through my usual torture test. That means trying to break things, clicking the wrong buttons, pretending to be a complete beginner, and seeing how long it takes to launch a working funnel. Surprisingly, I didn't break anything, and that's saying something. The system is simple, clean, and structured. It doesn't assume you're a tech genius. It doesn't throw complicated software at you. It walks you one step at a time. As someone who spent months drowning in tutorials when I started, this system would have saved me a ridiculous amount of time and headaches. Now, what is it not? It is not a get-rich-today scheme. If you're looking for a magic button that spits out daily commissions while you take naps, this isn't it. It is also not for people who refuse to take action. You still have to follow the steps. You still have to set things out. This system is simple, but it's not self-driving. And if you're already an advanced marketer running successful campaigns, you may find some parts too basic. But if you are someone who is tired of almost starting, almost launching a website, almost building a list, almost running your first campaign, then this system can be the turning point. Imagine waking up and seeing new subscribers instead of error messages. Imagine launching your first real affiliate campaign without panic. Imagine feeling confident every step of the way. That's what Newbie Success Formula unlocks for beginners. And the early launch pricing will not stay this low. The link is below. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more tested reviews and real insights. Kamal from testedapps.com signing off. See you in the next one.